Hello, little explorers! Welcome to Suchu TV, the place where we discover the most amazing animals together. Today, we are going to meet 50 awesome snakes from around the world. Some are colorful, some are giant, and some have really cool tricks. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss our fun learning adventures. Are you ready? Let's slither into the world of snakes. King Cobra. King Cobra, the world's largest venomous snake. Indian Python. Indian Python, a giant snake that squeezes its prey. Green Tree Python. Green Tree Python, bright green and loves to hang on trees. Ball Python. Ball Python curls into a ball when scared. Reticulated Python. Reticulated Python, the longest snake in the world. Burmese Python. Burmese python, very big and can live near water. Anaconda. Anaconda, the heaviest snake found in South America. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor hugs its prey tightly to catch it. Garter snake. Garter snake, a harmless little snake often seen in gardens. Corn snake. Corn snake, colorful and friendly, often kept as a pet. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake shakes its tail to make a rattling sound. Sidewinder. Sidewinder moves sideways across the sand. Black mamba. Black mamba, one of the fastest snakes in the world. Green anaconda. Green anaconda can weigh more than 200 kilograms. Milk snake. Milk snake, bright red, black and yellow stripes. King snake. King snake eats other snakes, even poisonous ones. Rat snake. Rat snake helps farmers by eating rats. Copperhead snakes. Copperhead snakes has a copper colored head. Cottonmouth snakes. Cottonmouth snakes open its mouth wide to scare enemies. Coral snake. Coral snake has bright red, yellow and black bands. Vine snake. Vine snake, very thin and looks like a vine. Flying snake. Flying snake can glide from tree to tree. Sea snake. Sea snake lives in the ocean and swims very well. Tiger snake. Tiger snake has stripes like a tiger. Bush viper. Bush viper snake, brightly colored and lives in the trees. Egg-eating snake. Egg-eating snake eats only bird eggs. Sand boa snake. Sand boa snakes hides under the sand waiting for prey. Rosy boa snake. Rosy boa snake, very gentle and slow moving snake. Rainbow boa snake. Rainbow boa snake shines like a rainbow in the sunlight. Hognose snake. Hognose snake has a funny upturned nose. Boomslang. Boomslang snake, a tree snake with big eyes. Water snake. Water snake loves to live near rivers and lakes. Grass snake. Grass snakes, harmless and lives in the fields. Hillback snake. Hillback snake can swim and crawl easily. Eastern brown snake. Eastern brown snake, very fast and found in Australia. Puff adder snake. Puff adder snake makes a loud hiss sound to scare away animals. Gaboon viper snake. Gaboon viper snake has the longest fangs of any snake. Bushmaster snake. Bushmaster snake, a giant venomous snake in South America. Horned viper snake. Horned viper snake has little horns above its eyes. Mangrove snake. Mangrove snake, black with bright yellow bands. Paradise flying snake. Paradise flying snake glides through the air in the jungle. Philippine cobra. Philippine cobra can spray venom from its fangs. African rock python. African rock python, huge and very powerful constrictor. Western diamondback rattlesnake. Western diamondback rattlesnake has a diamond pattern on its back. Indian crate snakes. Indian crate snakes, a dangerous snake with shiny black and white stripes. Russell's viper. Russell's viper, very common and dangerous in Asia. Yellow-bellied sea snake. Yellow-bellied sea snake has a bright yellow belly. Olive python. Olive python, big non-venomous snake in Australia. Timber rattlesnake. Timber rattlesnake found in forest with a noisy rattle. False water cobra. False water cobra. Pretends to be a cobra by spreading its neck. Wow kids, we just discovered 50 amazing snakes. Each one is special on its own way. From the flying snake that glides in the air to the giant anaconda hiding in the water. If you had fun learning with us today, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to our channel and join our animal adventure family. See you in the next exciting video. Bye bye little explorers.